In this video, I'm going to explain a Power Query technique which automatically takes the data after every refresh. Now, in this case, I'm using a free API key which only extracts the Bitcoin price for current date and time. Now, if I simply refresh all, you can see the blue table automatically refresh and it's only getting the current price of Bitcoin, while we have a new row added here. Consider I have this single data table which automatically extracts Bitcoin price for current date and time. If I click on my table, the name of table is new data. If I open my Power Query editor, I did a very few steps to get my final formatted data sheet. Now if you want to apply this method, your data must have a timestamp column. In this case, the last update has a timestamp. For now, I will simply close this Power Query editor. The first thing, I will click anywhere on this table, click on data, and now simply click from table/range. Now you can see two queries, new data and new data 2. I will simply rename this query, let's say static. And now I will close and load 2. In this case, I will select the table options, current worksheet, and simply click B2 and load this data here. The next tip, again I will open my Power Query editor. Now we have a static query. If I click on the source, this query is getting the data from the new data, and new data is our live data set. So what I need to do, I will simply rename this, let's say static, and simply click this tick box, and now this query getting the data from their own table. So this table is now independent table. The next step, again I will duplicate this static table. In this case, I will rename this, let's say current data, and now I will click on my new data which automatically extract the data from URL, and here I will click merge query. In this case, I will select the last update column and I will select the current data and simply select last update column. Make sure the left outer join is selected. Now I will simply hit OK. A new column is added here. We don't need this one, so I will right click and remove this column. Now the last tip, again I will click on my static table, click on source and simply remove everything. Type equal. First we need to type current data, space, ampersand, space, and now we need to type new data and simply hit the check box. Now if I close and load 2, in this case I don't want to load the current data anywhere, so I will simply click on the create connection. Simply hit OK. Now you can see this automatically is taking the data after every refresh. And now if I click refresh button again, refresh all, you can see this automatically extract the latest price, and here we can see another row added. So each and every time I refresh, this automatically extract the live data and we can store those data as well.